meghalayapost.news.
Kublai pi ki pai ba Shillong yang kajalan Meghalaya hangne sa isian pat nakaliang meghalayapost.news idon hangne po Shillong Press Club apo Shillong bang ini oban sakhi bagum juru bani simenta yang haka Shah Jied nani yakinong kitkam bat Thymmai jongka Shillong Press Club bat kaner kan long hadin kajingya inti kebala khatsau khatsan snem bat nidon ru hakene kapor yaki kertong kibala ai kerteng bat lami khmat kibala rai ban simti ya kata ka jingkit kli kumno ban peniat ya ka Shillong Press Club kumjuru no ban pej ya ka bha kamiat jongki nong thok khbor hapo ka jala Meghalaya ibar ko
Aga penung kong nga po ay lay shit kabde yo lay right brad. Ibla ay nga kani ka kabuk siar bangan lam kaman an mi kaman ngan syakri yak institution kabalong kawe na ki south li ki paya jong kasinsyar like lo. Kabar ikuli na ngo kamtam yaki khot nado ki barim ki bamnon shu bani ki ba Thymmai ki ba tang ki kerteng ru ngampat dak kan mau bha nomor bangala ya Jakarta tang ba kim tho yang ai kata ngai masmo e baro ki members trong Shillong Press Club hadu menta ki ba ai ka ti ka diang ki mon ba kdo ye ki jing duna jonga ki ba kdo ye jing tolot jonga ki ba ngam sim ye ka kum ki jing kan tho re nga sim ye ka kum ki jing sneng ki para ni ki menru bat ki jing kdo jong ki ya ki lak ki la ki jonga dakaba yarap yang apat bangan nang kampen janai kampen bahaya ladi susu kani ka mensim ya trilang bat kani ka jing ya ai jing ya sim kapeteng baro kini kisnam na klam syam kita ki lomba banong jing kunjuk ba ni klam la kum Press Club ban ya telun lang bat bangin ya jo yes nga suyo don bok bangalong kadur and the face and the mouth yeah. And sometimes the pen of the Shillong Press Club mereka ka duty jo nga kalong man syakri baro bat ngala syang hi kat kabor bo blay ula ayanga masungo bangayo kat kita ki to kilat sin kipor ki bangan syakri ki kon
Dem det tok ma. Yeah, got it.
Have shown your confidence on me to be your new president, and I hope with your cooperation, with your support, we will move ahead to make a press club, a vibrant press club, not only in Shillong, not only in Meghalaya, but in the northeast and in India as a whole. I would like to thank all the members for making the election a very smooth and a successful one. I also would like to thank the commissioner, the director, and all the officers of the Deimaïa who has conducted a smooth and transparency and a democratic way of conduct an election today. And we hope from today onward we will move ahead so that all the pending programs will be implemented from now onwards. And I also request each and every member that from now on we will work together as a team to make the club a more functional and a more active club in the state.
Secretary, and yes, of course, I won without any opposition, but still then I would like to thank each and everyone that decided to contest, and then later on decided not to contest, to give you the chance to be the secretary, general secretary of this press club. I hope together we can work and we can sit and form a new EC that can function, that can be function in such a way to move this entire press club and the colleagues of the press in a way that is up to this date with the technology and the facilities that's available to us. We can surely move ahead and prove that this press club will be one of the best in the Northeast. Thank you.
14 years. So when I thanks all the colleagues from film and media that they have supported me as a treasurer club, and I hope everybody from now onward we will work together as a club so that we can do all the pending issues that we have been in trouble in these 3 years. So with this few words, I thank for all everyone, and especially the director. Thank you. God bless you.
meghalayapost.news